Organizing your gardening supplies and extra storage has never been this easy. The 15 by 8 foot garden building from Lifetime Products gives you the space necessary to keep your backyard and garage looking perfect. The spacious 109 square foot interior and heavy duty construction makes it perfect for your storage needs. The shed includes 2 shatterproof windows, 6 small skylights, 2 large skylights, 2 shutters, and 2 screen vents. And to help organize the interior, it also comes with a 90 by 9 inch shelf, 4 corner shelves, a tool corral, and 2 16-inch peg strips with hooks. The innovative design features 2 sets of steel reinforced double doors to create a 4.5 by 6 foot high opening. It's specifically designed to have more headroom through the entrance. With our lockable doors and internal latching mechanism, your items will be safe and secure. Our interior has a 6 foot 8 inch interior height from floor to roof truss, making it easy to walk around, stack boxes, and store pretty much anything. The convenient location of the dual door entrance of the garden building allows for easy access to your storage without the need to climb over things to reach the back. Lifetime also offers additional shelves and extension kits, allowing you to get creative with your shed and customize it to fit your needs. Make sure to select a location for your shed that is large enough to accommodate the size of your building. For the best performance, we recommend using a level cement, wood, asphalt, gravel, or patio surface. The Lifetime 15 by 8 garden building is constructed of UV-resistant, high-density polyethylene. The UV protection makes our buildings resistant to heat and extended exposure to the elements, including fading, warping, chipping, or peeling. With no need to paint or stain, our garden buildings are low maintenance, stain resistant, and keep their design and good looks for years to come. Lifetime uses blow molded technology for the walls, roof, and floor panels, double walled for added strength. Our double wall buildings also have heavy duty steel reinforcements to ensure superior durability. The steel provides extra strength to eliminate warping or bending in the wall or roof panels. Our garden buildings have a heavy duty steel reinforced roof, and the high pitched design allows for quick drainage of rain and snow. Lifetime garden buildings are not only built for strength and durability, they have an attractive appearance and design to complement the beauty of your backyard. So let a Lifetime garden building be your gardening and storage solution. With its durability and design, it will be the envy of your neighborhood.